Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing how to use AI for lesson planning in a way that saves time and creates better plans faster. Teachers, if lesson planning eats up your time, you're not alone. What if you could create detailed, engaging, and standards-aligned plans in minutes with AI? In this video, I'll show you how to use tools like ChatGPT, MagicSchool.ai, and more to streamline your planning process, without sacrificing quality. AI is here to help, not replace you. It can save you hours of prep time, customize plans for diverse learners, generate full objectives, activities, and assessments, align with standards instantly, and inspire fresh teaching ideas. Let's walk through exactly how to make it work for you. Here's how to write a powerful lesson plan in minutes using AI like ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and try a prompt like, create a 5th grade math lesson plan on multiplying fractions. Include objectives, warm-up, direct instruction, practice, and assessment. Second, add specifics like standards, time limits, or student accommodations. Third, use the result as a draft, then personalize it to fit your teaching style. Here are some of the best AI-powered tools made for educators. MagicSchool.ai provides lesson plans, IEP supports, accommodations, and rubrics. Curipod provides instant slide decks and interactive lessons. Edwade.ai provides templates for plans, exit tickets, and essential questions. And Conmigo provides Khan Academy's AI tool for standards-aligned support. These tools are like having a digital co-teacher in your back pocket. Let's break it down by subject so you can pick the right AI tool for your needs. For Math, MagicSchool.ai and Wolfram Alpha provides step-by-step problem-solving, lesson generation, and scaffolding math vocabulary. For ELA, ChatGPT or Edwade.ai allows you to generate writing prompts, reading comprehension activities, and grammar lessons. For Science, Curipod allows you to create inquiry-based slides, and Conmigo for NGSS-aligned questions and simulations. For Social Studies, you can generate primary source analysis activities or discussion prompts with ChatGPT, then enhance them with Curipod slides. For electives, art, music, PE, ChatGPT allows you to create cross-curricular plans, reflections, or project ideas connected to core standards. Whatever subject you teach, there's an AI tool that fits your flow. AI can give you a strong draft, but the magic still comes from you. Best practices include, first, review and revise every plan. Second, customize for your students' needs. Third, use it to brainstorm and differentiate instruction. And fourth, double-check for equity and inclusiveness. Think of AI as your co-pilot. You're still in charge of the journey. AI is here to empower you, not replace you. It's about working smarter, not harder, so you can focus on what matters most, connecting with students and making learning meaningful. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What AI tools are you using in your lesson planning? What subject should we cover next in our AI Tool by Subject series? Subscribe and comment. Click the next video for strategies on how to use AI tools for English language arts teachers. Let's build smarter together.